Hi friends, today I am going to teach you proportional relationship and graphs. This is very important chapter for grade 9 IB students. My question is, a student is trying to calculate how many copies he will need for completing his project if he is using 6 copies every 4 days. How many copies would he use in 8 days? And how many copies would he use in 10 days? What you have to do, you have to make a table. On one side you have to write down days and on other side you have to write down number of copies. As you have seen in the question that it is being given that 6 copies every 4 days. So in place of days you will be writing down 4 and in place of number of copies you will be writing down 6. So now how you have to solve this question? First we have to keep in our mind the ratio of 4 days and 6 copies. What we have to keep in mind? The ratio of 4 days and 6 copies. It means that in 4 days the child is using 6 copies. So first of all what we will be doing, we will be taking the scenario for 8 days. Now over here what we will be doing, we will be representing copies as x. It means let x represent number of copies need for 8 days. So now what we have to do, on our left hand side we have to write down the ratio 4 upon 6 and on left hand side we have to write down the ratio 8 upon x. Now you have to cross multiply it. 4x is equal to 48. Over here you have to take out x. So what you have to do, you have to alone the x over here. So over here where 4x means 4 into x is equal to 48. For taking out x we have to alone the x. Over here the 48 will be divided by 4. So the x will be 12. So far 8 days means in 8 days the child will be using how many copies? 12 copies. So now next point is also clear that for the scenario of 8 days, that in 8 days the child will be using 12 copies. Now we come to the third part. What is the third part? That in 10 days how many copies the child will be using. So for this scenario, let x represent number of copies needed for 10 days. So in the same manner you are aware of the ratio 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6 is equal to 10 upon x. So on left hand side you will be writing down 4 upon x and on the right hand side you will be writing down 60. So over here now you have to take down, what you have to take out? X. X is equal to 15. In the same manner how you are taking out x, you have to alone 4. You will be dividing 60 by 4 and you will be getting x is equal to 15. Now use this information to complete the table and plot the graph. So over here now I have completed the table that in 8 days how many copies the child will be using? 12. And in 10 days how many copies the child will be using? 15. I will be even drafting the graph in front of you and more things will be clear to you. What will be the result? It will be clear to you. Thank you. As we were discussing that we have got the data and we have filled the data in this table. That is, in 4 days the number of copies the child used was 6 and in 8 days the number of copies the child used was 12 and in 10 days the number of copies the child used were 15. Now first plot the points we know on a coordinate graph and then draw a line through these points. We have taken x and y. X is for the days and y is for the number of copies. So x, what it was, how many days? 4 days. So the first point is 4 and 6, because in 4 days the child was using 6 copies, and in 8 days the child was using 12 copies, and in 10 days the child was using 15 copies. So we have got 3 points over here on the graph. Now what we have to do, we have to join these points. After joining these points, what we used to get, that is a straight line. You are able to see this is a straight line. Now what we can observe in this graph, that is the graph goes through the origin 0, 0, and the graph forms the straight line, which automatically shows that two quantities are in proportional relationship. It means that if we will be increasing anything over here, automatically there will be the increase in y also. For example, if the days are 8, then the number of copies will be 12. If the days will 10, then the number of copies will be 15. Rest, I will be writing in my blog all the details regarding this question. And if you like this channel, or I can say that if you like this video, please comment on our blog section. Thank you.